Good morning everybody, it's Monday the 15th of June today and it's our spelling. So we're going to have a look at a different spelling rule for this week. Let me show you. Okay, so this week children, we are looking at the all sound. And when you hear it at the end of a word, it's usually spelt with L and E. And it's going to sound a bit more like an all sound rather than a L sound that you might get at the start of a word. So pause the video here. I want you to have a quick think about which kinds of all sounds you know. There are two ways that you know how to spell that sound. Have a think and then come back. Okay, so you probably know L and double L that make a L sound. We also now know LE that makes more of an all sound at the end of a word, and I'll show you what I mean in a second. Okay, here is our spelling list for the week. So let's read them together. T, a, b, l. Table? No. This letter here is actually an A sound. T, a, b, l. Table. I'm going to put a yellow dot next to that one. Let's see if we can read the next word. A, p, l. There's the digraph there. L. Apple? No. This single letter A sound makes an doesn't it? It's not April, it's going to be apple. So I'm going to put a blue dot next to that one. What's the next word we can see? Bottle, little, middle, bubble. Can you hear the all sound at the end? It's not a L, it's an all, isn't it? Well, let's have a look at this one. K, a, b, l. Cabble? No. K, a, b, l. Cable. You might use a cable to connect your computer to a keyboard, mightn't you? I'm going to put a yellow one there. Let's have a look at the next one. Uncle. A, n, k, l. Ankle? No. What sound must this one make? Ankle. Let's put a blue one next to that one. And the last word, eagle. Eagle. Okay. Now you might notice that these four words, table, apple, cable and ankle, all have a single letter A in them, don't they? They make different sounds. The yellow ones have an A sound in, and the blue ones have an A sound in. Pause the video and see if you can spot a pattern. Where does that sound come in the word? In the yellow words and in the blue words? Okay, so we can see, children, that in these yellow words, it comes sort of in the middle there, doesn't it? After the first sound, and that makes an A sound. And when it comes at the beginning of a word, like in apple and in ankle, it was making an A sound, wasn't it? That was a really interesting observation. Well done. Okay, let's move on to today's spelling challenge. Okay, so now we're thinking, like we mentioned earlier, about L sounds and OO sounds. Okay, and we're going to sort these words here into words that make an L sound and into words that have an OO sound in them. So let's read the words together to start with, and then we'll do a few as a team before you go and have a try yourself. Ready? Table, apple, bell, call, middle, cable, help, ankle, eagle, filling, bottle, curl, ankle, still and pills. Now you're really going to have to read these words carefully and loudly so that you can hear whether it's a L sound or an OO sound. Let's make that box red, shall we? Okay, so let's have a look at this first one here. Let's read it together. Table. I can see it's an LE at the end and it's making an OO sound, isn't it? Can you hear that? So I would put my table in this box here. I might draw myself a square on my piece of paper and write the word table into it. Okay? The next word we've got is apple. So it's got the L-E, the all sound. Where's it going to go? That's right, it's going to go into the all box. Again, you might have yourself drawn a box here and a box here, green one here, and you might be writing the words into your boxes rather than drawing arrows so that you're practicing your writing. Okay? The next word we've got is bell. You can see it's got two L's at the end. Yes, it is at the end of the word, but it's not bell, is it? It's bell, so it makes an ul sound, and it's going to go in this box. Okay, so I'd like you to pause the video now and have a go at sorting these words into ul words and ul words and l words. Okay, come back in a moment and let me know how you got on. Okay, so looking at our two boxes here, let's read the words with l in them. We had curl, filling, call, still, help, pills and bell. What do you notice about the spelling of that sound, the l sound, in all of these words? That's right, it's either spelt with a single letter L or a double L, isn't it? Can you see? Single, double, double. There's a single one there. Okay, so there are no LE words in this box. LE makes all sound, doesn't it? Not l sound. Well done. Let's have a look at all sound words here. We had, read them with me, eagle, middle, ankle. You can see they've all got all LE at the end. Uncle, table, apple and cable. Well done if you got those right. If not, just have a little chivvy around and change them up and correct yourself. Okay? I really enjoyed spelling with you today and I hope you join me tomorrow. Bye bye now.